In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove friends on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat application and then hit at your profile picture. Now scroll down for a bit where it says My Friends, just hit on it, and now there I got the list of all my friends, and if I want to remove one of that friends or some few count of those friends, all I have to do is hold down on that friend's name, then hit add manage friendship, and now I can hit add remove friend to actually remove this friend. But what if you want to stop multiple persons from seeing your stories or from sending you snaps? There is no way to remove all the friends, but there is one simple trick how to block multiple persons from seeing your stories and contacting you. So, to be able to do that, just hit there at gear icon to open up settings, and now scroll all the way down until you find privacy controls box, and there you can adjust, for example, who can view your stories. Just tap at view my story. By default it's set to my friends. You can hit on custom, and now there you can checkmark those persons whom you don't want to show your stories. And after you selected those persons, just hit there at block, and it actually blocks them from seeing your story. And also you can go to contact me, and in the same way select who can contact you. You can set it to everyone, to friends and contacts, or just to friends. And also there you can set up who can see your location, who can see your in quick add, or who can use your Bitmoji avatar. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.